Hello everyone, today we are working on a 2015 Infiniti Q50. So I bought this car at auction, and as you can see, windshield's broken. Today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the seat belts. So I've already done the dash and airbag, which I should have recorded. So you're probably wondering, how do I get the seat belts out? Well, this one is still intact. First thing to do, unplug battery. Come on back here, and you're gonna want to undo the seat bolts, remove the plastics, remove this plastic piece here. The tools needed: 10mm, 14mm orange hook for airbag. And then under here, you have a few plugs for the seat. Okay, so once you have that out of the way, you will then have this piece here. Here, let me fix it real quick for you so you can see everything. Sorry for the delay. This one has 49,000 miles, 3.7. Okay, so coming back here, what you have to do is you have, 14mm, and up here, this one here, 14mm. Then you have the airbag plug here. You have a yellow and you have an orange. Now these are dual stage airbag, and then down here you have a 14mm also. Now I'm removing the seat just to allow access and easy install of the new ones. And then once you have all the bolts undone, you will see this part back here. See the white bracket? This piece, this piece right here will slide out. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'm just kind of showing you. But let me show you. I already got the driver's side airbag removed, so I'll show you how I did it. So here's the whole assembly. You got the part I just shown you with the orange clip on there, and then this piece here, see, it just slides in. That white piece of plastic I just showed you, it slides in, clips in, and that's that. Follow me more for more builds. You have the EX35, we have a G37 convertible flood car, which, yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. I'll upload more. Bye.